Hey, welcome to the morning brief. Today's Thursday, July 18th. So, what's on the docket for today? You can see at 8:30 we had a couple of numbers, red items. Unemployment claims, which came in worse than expected, 243,000 versus 229. That's still not that bad of a number. And you put it in perspective, a bad number would be greater than three or 400,000. So 200, not really that bad. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index was way better than expected. 13.9 versus 2.7. So that's actually a very good number for the Philly Fed Manufacturing. Manufacturing is increasing in the New England area. So that's a good thing. What do we got else? CB leading indicator at 10:30 natural gas storage. 1:45 we have FOMC member Logan speaking, and that is it for the rest of the day for major news events. So the unemployment number was definitely worse than expected. However, really wasn't that much reaction at all to that number. That being said, let's look at the long-term chart. We'll come to the short-term chart here in a minute. Wicked day yesterday. Did come right down to support right there at 56.32-ish. And it's obviously gapping up a little bit today. Very important to see what happens today. Heavy volume, but not extremely heavy volume. Did have more than expected, above average. So if we could go up a little bit and then take out the low and continue down, that would be the scenario I would expect. However, we could just bounce and try to get at least half of this movement back, maybe come up to 56.80 and hang out there and continue to chop. Maybe this becomes the new sideways action band that we are slowly establishing. We'll have to wait and see. Usually heavy selling like this has some continuation power. We'll have to see if it actually does, but it would not, a lot of the red bars come with more than one red bar. So you'll usually see two, possibly three red bars in a row. It is Thursday, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Don't have any. Where could it go? Okay, let's say that it could go up. I can't see it getting up much past 56.84. That being said, it certainly could retrace this entire distance. Where could it go? It breaks this, it's going to go all the way down into that 55.87 area. That's certainly on the table and possible. Looking at inventory, pretty much trending down all day long, even overnight yesterday. That being said, you can see that right here. Well, actually, at the end of market, we had a minus. I got to draw that. At the end of 4 o'clock, we had negative inventory. Not at 5 o'clock, but at 4 o'clock, we had negative inventory, and that's all we really care about. So these are correlated. Not really too much to write home about, other than this should have been a much, much bigger number considering the giant amount of price movement. However, I do think that we will eventually stop the buy the dip, folks, and they will get burned, and then that we'll start to see much more negativity come into the market. Don't know. We'll see. Intraday, so overnight we had about 26 points of action. That's slightly above normal. Normal's 20 to 22. So could see higher volatility today. Not surprising under the circumstances. On the top side, where do we have resistance? 56.80 is a big number. 56.90, 5700. We can get above 5700, 5710. The whole numbers are really important here. On the downside, 5630, and really good support. This is going to be right around just below 5600. Of course, 5600 will be a big number as well. That's 5590. Looks like 97, 98. Something like that right there. I can't see that too good. I think it really could get ugly. We could definitely test 5,600. That being said, we could also run up and see 5,700. So we're sort of in the middle right at the moment. Stock Traders Almanac is positive 76.2, 76.2% chance the market will be up. That's from the Stock Traders Almanac. So there you have it. Be very careful. It's going to get ugly. It could get really ugly today. Again, trade what you see, not what you think. That becomes the summer mantra. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.